Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about Excel tables. Tables are the best way to add more advanced formatting options to your range of cells or worksheets. Tables have predefined regular formatting patterns and designs. Tables can improve the look and feel of your data table, and it can also organize content and make your data easier to use. Let's take a look. Open an Excel file. Now we'll move to Excel. Here we have a table which represents employee codes, their date of joining, year, their department, the number of hours they have worked, their pay per hours, total payout. To create a table, first select the table range that you wish to convert into table. So here the range that we have is B2 to H16. After we have selected it, click on Format as Table command on the Home tab. Here we have various table styles. Just pick any one of them. Let's select this one. We can also change the table style later on. Here we have a dialog box having address for range and wants an input to have different formatting styles for header row. And here we have table with selected formatting style. Now you see that it has filter button available on the top. You can also apply filter and sorting options anytime using the filter button. This is how we convert a range into a table. Let's see how can we perform some operations in a table. Now, how can we add or remove more columns and rows in a table? It can be done easily. Let's look at the bottom right cell H16. Here we have a small icon. Just place your mouse pointer there, then pointer will convert into diagonal two-headed arrow. Now, if you want to insert a column, drag it towards right. To insert a row, drag it down. Similarly, to remove a column or a row, you can drag it towards left or you can drag it upwards. So this is how we can add or remove more number of rows and columns in a table. Another way to insert a row is place the cell pointer at the row which is the next of the last row of this table. For example, in here the cell would be B17 in this row. And enter some content. We'll write A013. Press enter. So we have now got an extra row. Similarly, for column, place the cell pointer at the next column of the last column in the table. For example, here we'll put at I2 and enter some content. We'll write test. Press enter. And now we have got an extra column also. So we can use either ways to add or remove a column or a row. Now let's understand how to work with different formatting options in a table. To change the formatting of a table, we first need to place the cell pointer in table and then go to Design tab of Table Tools. Here we have multiple table styles. We can select any one of them, and while selecting, we can also see the preview effect. Here we can also play with different table style options like having separate formatting style for a column. So here if we click on first column, so all the cells in the column will have a same formatting styles. So in here you can see all the cells are bold. Similarly, we can choose the options like total row. So by clicking on this option, we can see that a total row has been generated automatically. Here we have various options which you can play with, and I would suggest you to go and check them. Moving forward, let's learn how to remove table or convert it to a range. It's quite easy. To convert a table into range, go to Design tab of Table Tool. So we are already there and select Convert to Range. And now it has asked for confirmation. Press OK. Here the range has been converted to normal range, but it has not lost the formatting. Let's look at another key feature. It is one of the features of table in Excel is that you don't have to enter the formula again. Simply enter the formula in one cell and the values for the rest of the rows will get populated automatically using the same formula without even copying the formula. Let's have a look at it. So here you can see that we have a range. The first step should be to convert this range into a table, for which we'll select the range and then go to Formulate as Table option and select any table. Click OK. So now we have converted the range into a table. Now let's move to the test column and enter a formula. So let's say we wish to find 10% of the total payout. So here I've written 10% of the total payout and I'll press enter. Here you can see that the values for all the employee codes have been populated automatically without even copying the formula from the first cell. This is the beauty of table in an Excel. So in this column test, if you notice the formula that got copied to all the cells is slightly different from the formula that we usually see. The reason being, when you make a table and enter a formula, the table takes the corresponding column as a field, just like we do it in SQL and other database languages. In this video, we discussed about how to create a table in Excel and how to make certain formatting changes in the Excel that will make your table look more informative. In the next video, we'll discuss on data validation in Excel. Thank you.